Yeah, it's good. Mm-hmm. Don't go anywhere.
Bad laway.
Doesn't matter. Sige na. Yeah, inhale the steam. It is just a plain water. Hot water, plain hot water. Tuob hanggang sa Pilipinas. Come close to the steam, baby. Like that, yeah. Stay there until you feel, yeah, feel the steam.
I feel it very much. My face.
Inhale the steam. Yeah.
I am. You can hear that.
Yeah,
Right?
you can do that one, yes. That goes for 15 minutes.
15.
That's it, that's it. Tuob manis Pilipinas sa tabunan og.
I don't think there's any steam. Just like more.
More hot water.
Oh.
Okay. Smells the evaporation, baby. Yep.
So I have to do this every day, morning and night.
Oh, you have to wake up early tomorrow so we can do that. Come on. Just breathe normally. Yeah, just breathe normally. Yeah, you see that smoke, the steam?
Yeah.
Yeah, grab that
I
steam.
can see it and it's hitting my face.
Yeah, that's
I'm
how it
sweating
is.
now.
Yeah, that's the purpose
So
of it.
that's normal?
Yeah, that's normal. Yeah. You know, back in the Philippines, baby, we're doing that one.
Really?
Inside the habol. And you will gonna be sweaty all over your body. So after steaming, we use this one. The face nasal spray. Plus this one. We need this one. This one. And I call this fluticasol. Shake well and inhale 2 doses by mouth twice daily. 2 doses. Okay. Now this one, guys. One pack. So we need this one, the spacer. So the face, and then after the face, the spacer, and the thing. Daddy, you hold this one for me, Daddy.
We're doing our stuff.
Daddy.
We're the one who has coughs.
Daddy, you hold this one.
It's coming down.
Come to you. You open this one, please. Okay.
Can we get the tissue first?
Okay.
Because I got some silicone
Okay.
that is released now. Steam.
You blow your nose properly. You hold this one, Daddy bear. Hold like that. Just like that. Ano naman camera nila? Come, sit down here. Spacer. Hang on, baby. So, this is the spacer. rubbish bin. Come.
How does it?
Have to this one here.
Oh, you put that in your mouth?
Not in your mouth, baby.
It looks like it.
Okay.
Like an inhaler.
That one, it's done.
What do we do with that though? It looks perfect for my mouth.
Yeah, that's for kids.
It's for the mouth. It just
The opposite way. Hang on, I'll show
the
you.
opposite.
So the instruction
Oh, this
is
way.
how to shake this one.
Okay,
Shake it well.
Yeah, shake it well.
So this
Very
is
well.
all the
Shake harder.
what? Check the order.
Huh?
Shake well.
So it smells
And
like
then
something?
what?
Does it smell like
Properly.
anything?
Hmm?
I just wonder how it works. Because this is, like, I don't know what this does at all.
Just remove this cover.
You put your
And
mouth on.
then this is our spacer.
Oh, inhaler?
And just put it there.
It's an inhaler?
Mhm.
Oh.
And then
Yeah, I think that way for nose.
hang on that.
Do I put my...
Enough.
Do we inhale from there or there? Because that looks like an inhaler. It looks like...
Okay. Oh no, before that one.
Huh? I'm confused.
Before that one, ano.
Huh? What?
We have this one first.
Tickles.
Yeah, it does.
Can I wipe it? It's
Yeah.
going down. So I just have to stay in my nose? Because this feels weird, like dripping down.
Which one is dripping down? A tissue, please, Daddy.
Yeah, because it feels weird. Now it feels better.
Already?
Yeah, because steaming.
Steaming. So after the steaming, we have the
What is it?
Fess nasal spray.
Fast muscle spray.
After that one, okay, here's the tissue.
Finally.
Okay. Eee. Okay, blue. Okay.
So that's what we have to do?
Yes, and then this one.
Is that an inhaler?
Yeah, it is an inhaler. Okay, hold for this. You hold on. And you breathe, just breathe normally, okay? Okay, just breathe normally. You hold it, okay? Ready?
I'm holding. Let me get this here.
Okay. All right. Just breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
What does this do?
2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. Just keep breathing. And that's the Fluticasone Cipla inhaler.
So do I spray?
Hmm?
Do I press the button thing?
Yeah, this is just to clear out your lungs, baby. Your I mean the phlegm in your lungs. Alrighty.
So just press?
So this is how you do, huh?
Do you press that?
No. You had, baby, the instruction is only 2 dose. So yeah, this helps to clear out the phlegms. phlegm in your lungs, okay? Because you've been coughing for like 3 weeks time now. The cough doesn't go away. Yeah, and that's it. So first we did the steaming, then second we do the nasal spray, that one, and third is the puffer, which is this one. And of course, if you are out of breath, you have this one, guys.
So out of breath is you can't breathe.
Yeah,
That's
this is only if needed. And that's all for this video.
so the out of breath thing is.
And how you
can't
feel
breathe?
now? Okay, that's enough. You like it? Okay. How do you feel now? Good?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for watching. See you next video.
Bye.